Here's how to make delicious homemade pizza in a cast iron skillet. If you have a 10-inch skillet, you want to divide one regular-sized ball of pizza dough into 2 pieces. So you'll get 2 pizzas out of one regular-sized ball of dough. Stretch or roll out one of the pieces to about 10 inches in diameter to fit the bottom of the pan. If you like a thicker, crunchier crust around the edges, make it about 10.5 inches. I should have mentioned too that you want to preheat your oven to 500 degrees with a rack in the middle position before you get started. Once your dough is rolled or stretched out, put the skillet over medium heat for about 3 minutes until it gets really hot. Then add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Let that heat up, swirl it around in the pan, and add your dough, pressing it into the sides of the pan and up a little bit if you like that extra crunchy, bigger crust. As it sits in the pan, it will start to bubble. After a few minutes, check the underside to see if it's browning. If it is, you're ready to add all of your toppings. So you want to add your sauce, any vegetables, meats, cheeses, you name it. And then once your toppings are on, you put it in the oven and you bake it for about 10 to 12 minutes until the top is nice and golden and the cheese is melted and browned in spots. And then, so you don't ruin your pan, cut it on a cutting board. The method is the same if you have a 12-inch or larger cast iron skillet or pan. Just use, if you have the larger pan, make sure you use 1 full regular-sized ball of dough. So you want to heat up the pan, add your olive oil, let the dough bubble up, and then add all of your toppings. And then once it's topped, bake the pizza in a 500-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes until it's nice and browned. Thanks for watching. For more tips and pizza recipes, go to thursdaynightpizza.com.